Hello guys, it's me again. So last video, I was unboxing this contents or the package, the content of the package I've ordered from. Wow! So guys, I have here two sets. So the first set, this one, I will be sharing this to the recipient, the lucky recipient, charot. So as what we have said, I am not a singer. I am just a live streamer, and I am entertaining my guests by singing. But don't you know that I only have 5% singing talent and 95% guts. Which makes 100%. So first is I have here a professional microphone stand. So because during the program I have seen that the school needs to have a microphone stand. So I have my own personal professional microphone stand. So I just purchased this so that I can share this to others, which I think needs this. So this is presenting to you the professional microphone stand. So first-rate product microphone stage. So everything you need to take center stage. So pro microphone stand. So hope my recipient would love to receive this one. This gift from Mom Shawie Vlog. So from Mom Shawie Vlog to the recipient. So next video, I will be showing to you, or I'll be giving to you, I'll be presenting to you the recipient of this microphone stand. So thank you very much guys for watching. So unboxing the content and the other one. So thank you very much guys for listening. Thank you very much.